Acer Aspire 5 13th Gen. Unity Systems Solutions. Suitability for school students, for university students, for professionals. Processor 13th generation Intel Core T.13-1305U processor. 10 MB smart cache. 1.6 GHz performance core with Intel Turbo Boost technology 2.0 up to 4.5 GHz. Supporting hybrid core architecture with performance core and efficient core. Graphic, Intel UHD graphics. Storage 512 GB NVMe solid-state drive. Memory 8 GB of onboard LPDDR5 system memory. Dual-channel LPDDR5 SDRAM support. I/O ports, USB 3.2 port. Headset, speaker jack. USB port with power-off charging. HDMI port. Display. Panel size 15.6 inch. Resolution Full HD 1920 by 1080. Panel Tech LED backlit TFT LCD. Aspect ratio 16:9 aspect ratio. Webcam. 1820 by 720 resolution, 720p HD video at 30 fps with temporal noise reduction. Keyboard. 99, 100, 103 key Acer keyboard layout with international language support including indicators of caps lock and F4, microphone mute. Audio. Acer Purified. Voice technology with AL noise reduction in dual built-in microphones. Features include far field pickup, dynamic noise reduction through neural network, adaptive beamforming, and predefined personal and conference call modes, compatible with Cortana with voice. Battery 50 Wh 3-cell Li-ion battery.